Then people say, why should I meditate and go to Sachkhand if I am going to find at the end that I am just one? I lose my company here, I am losing whatever little I have, and I go to become lonely again. And I say, no, not on the path of this perfect living masters. Because this path has qualified that loneliness. How? Because when we go on the path of a perfect living master, we meet the perfect living master in the same form we are in a human form. The human form is the only real form we can have true love for. Others are attachments. Even with human forms, most of them are attachments, but real love is possible between human beings. Therefore, over time, when we have a relationship with the perfect living master, all our relationship of questions and answers, understandings, path changes. Ultimately, it becomes a relationship of love. Unconditional, pure love. A love that doesn't exist in the world. And we notice it because it's so unconditional. Every other love in the world or attachment is conditional. If you love somebody and they don't love you, it goes away. But not with the master. So love flows if you love him. Love flows if you don't love him. His love flows if you hate him. His love flows if you kill him. That kind of unconditional love only we experience with a perfect living master. And then we realize that this is something so different. All teaching fades away. All previous concepts fade away. And the love is what is holding us with the master. This love transcends reason and mental activity. And therefore, this love alone takes us above Trikuti or the second causal stage. And when we go above that, we find love is a natural thing for the soul, for consciousness. And at the end, what happens? We have a simultaneous experience of two and one, the many and one, a simultaneous experience because of the man we met as a perfect living master, who can still be a companion at all levels, including the top, where we think we are one, but we can experience two and one. It's a beautiful, there's nothing like it that I know of. And that's why there is no question of loneliness. A person who is initiated by a perfect living master and has established in his lifetime the radiant form of the master inside his head by meditation. That means meditated enough to be able to have a contact with the radiant inner form of the master and can talk to the master whenever he wants, travel with the master in the astral regions. If he has done that much only, that person can never be lonely after that. At no stage, at no time. So that's why it's a cure for loneliness. It doesn't create loneliness by going to the top. It's a good arrangement.